This will be the final update on the w124 project until it goes to the paint shop next Friday. Today I finished removing the final plastic bits, particularly off the front of the car, for the paint job. I also did a bit of a clean out. I vacuumed the inside and the outside areas of the car just because there was an accumulation of broken glass and whatnot from the removal of the front screen. This is how I'm securing the rear lid, just with some electrical cable. It will be good enough to get it to the paint shop, and hopefully it will be more secure than that once it's got a fresh coat of paint on it. So these areas here were absolutely full of broken glass. I vacuumed it and then I used the garden hose to blast it all out through the drain hoses. And that's done a pretty reasonable job. I can't see any further glass left inside there. I even cleaned out the area where the fan is because I really don't want a face full of glass the first time I use that fan. Here is just a sample of the amount of glass that still came out today. This is in addition to the massive amount I've already cleaned out before, so hopefully that's the end of it. I've even provided some instructions for the use of the parking brake. Don't like to leave anything to chance. It's all pretty obvious how to use it and how to release it. When I get this car back together, we can start replacing all of the original crap suspension and steering parts. Not liking to leave anything to chance, I've also printed instructions for how I want the mirrors painted as well.